often get confused between pledge, mortgage, and hypothecation. Suppose you take a gold loan, you will have to transfer the possession of the gold jewelry to the lender. Whereas when you take a home loan, you don't transfer the physical possession of the property, but you only transfer the property papers. So pledge is applicable for a movable property and mortgage is applicable for immovable property. Then what's hypothecation? Which property is applicable to hypothecation, as there are only two types of property on the basis of mobility, which is movable and immovable, right? So hypothecation is basically a combination of pledge and mortgage. Hypothecation is applicable for movable property, yet the physical possession is not transferred to the lender. The best example is a car loan. When you take a car loan, a car being a movable property remains with the borrower and only property papers are transferred to the bank. All these are the ways of creating a charge on the assets to secure a loan. So when you take a home loan, you execute mortgage deed. When you take a gold loan, you execute pledge deed. And for a car loan, you execute a hypothecation deed. Thank you.